Welcome to my Canon 6D camera repair series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the shutter blade curtains. Now you could do the work with the shutter assembly completely removed from the camera like this, but it's probably easier to do it with the shutter assembly sitting back on the mirror box. I went ahead and put one screw in just to keep it secure. The first thing that we want to do is to unhook these two springs right here so that they're no longer attached to this top metal plate. It's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is to push this part of the spring right here over in this direction. That'll pull it out of a notch that it's sitting in on this metal plate. Next, we'll remove two screws, one right here and one right here. Before we remove this plate, we want to watch right in this area because there's a spring that's on this post right here, and part of it comes up around onto this post. Sometimes when you pick up this plate, that spring may come off this post and it could fly off. So you just want to be careful when you take it off. And once you pick up on this end, all you have to do is slide it that way and it'll come unhooked from the other two holes. This is the spring that I was talking about. You can see that it didn't come off and it's still around both of these posts. So we'll go ahead and remove that spring now. We'll keep our finger over it while we pop this side off. Next we'll take this end off here. It just lifts right off. Now we can go ahead and remove these washers. Now if you notice on this washer is about twice as thick as the other one. We can go ahead and remove this shutter curtain now. Just lift up on it, should come right off. The next part that we can remove is this metal plate. Just lift up on a corner and the whole thing should come off. Now we can remove this washer down here. Before we remove this last curtain, we'll have to take this spring off that's over this post. Now we can go ahead and just lift this last curtain off. Just pick up on one of the pieces of metal that go over the post and the whole thing will just come off of there. Now we can go ahead and install the new shutter curtains. We want to look for the shutter curtain that doesn't have the little holes in it on this piece of metal. Where you can see this one does. It has a little hole here and here where this one doesn't. This is the one that we want to use first. So we'll just line these holes up in the shutter with the three posts here, here, and here. Now we can adjust the shutter by opening and closing it, and that'll change the spacing on these holes so that we can line it up better. Now we can go ahead and put this spring back on. We'll need to put the small bent end down over the edge of that piece of metal and then put the center of the spring over the post. Now we'll put this part back on. Just be sure to look for this notch that's in it. That indicates it goes up in the direction of the top of the camera. Now we'll put this washer back on. This is one of the thin washers. An easy way to do it is to put the washer on a small screwdriver and then stand the screwdriver up over the post and then just let go of the washer and let it drop right onto the post. We'll go ahead and put this plate on now. Now we'll put the second set of shutter curtains on. We just need to line up these 3 holes with the 3 posts down here. Now we'll put this little spring on. We just need to make sure that this little bent piece on the spring here goes into this hole right here. And then the large hole on the spring will go over this post. So you can see that the spring is going down into the hole here. The rest of it is over the post, and this part goes up around this post. Now we can put this on. Be sure to look for the notch again and make sure that goes up towards the top of the camera. And now we'll put another thin washer on. And now the thick washer. With the thick washer, it's easy enough to hold on to with a pair of tweezers. Now we can put the last plate on. We just want to make sure and put this end on first. Line up these 2 little holes here over the post that the washers are on. Once they're lined up, make sure and push the whole top plate back that way. And that makes sure that it's locked in place. And now we can put the 2 screws back in. With the plate screwed back on, we can go ahead and reset these 2 springs now. All we have to do is push this small arm over onto that notch right here. And do the second one too. Now you can test the shutter assembly by turning this gear right here, turning it that way, and it'll actually activate the shutter curtains. That's all there is to it. You can find links to the other videos in this video repair series in the description for this video.